Chatting Spot is a new Wi-Fi system which can be used by department and big box stores, to enable customers find what they want, using their smartphones to text chat with a management call center. The Chatting Spot system increases sales, because more customers will find the product they want. It also enables management to be more aware of customers who don't find the products they want, and maintain better product inventories. Because it is expensive for stores to maintain a large number of staff on the floor, it is inevitable that there will be customers who cannot find a staff member to help them, and they leave the store without making a purchase. When Chatting Spot Wi-Fi hubs are installed, they can provide a service covering the entire store, enabling all customers with smartphones to exchange text messages, with a small call center in the store itself. The Chatting Spot call center uses a keyboard and monitor, connected to the Chatting Spot hub. Typically one staff person will be able to handle text messages, from customers requiring assistance. Customers simply log on to the free Chatting Spot Wi-Fi hotspot. They are immediately connected to a public text chat page on the hotspot. Now any shopper who has difficulty finding a product can text message the staff person in the management office. This enables customers and management to communicate instantly via text messaging. Customers who possibly don't know exactly what they want, can now get expert advice from the management call center, who can even dispatch a staff member to where the customer is standing. Shoppers who know that a Chatting Spot Wi-Fi local customer call center is installed in a store they do not frequent often, are more likely to visit, because they know they can get assistance instantly on their smartphones. Chatting Spot is a very low-cost system to improve shopper experience. It can also be used by staff members on the floor to send private text messages to customers, to advise them that they are on their way to assist them, if they are delayed helping other customers.